All right, so John shot me a text yesterday. Did the car get hot and got a low coolant warning again yesterday. Had it in the garage at home and it piddled. And it piddled here this morning. He drove it over here, it got hot, it was low on coolant. So we just topped it off enough, got it back up to operating temperature. It's been sitting here all morning. Actually, it's been sitting here all damn day because it's like, what, 4:30?
Yeah, something like that.
Around there. So I want to check and see if it's a head gasket. So I got our magic head gasket test, and I just did a test on Tom's Javelin. You guys will see that video soon. Okay, so there's our groove. You put your combustion leak detection goodness tube in the old chingadera here, and then you use your little sucker here to suck air in and see if you're pregnant. So you get it up to temperature like it is now, and you pump her for about a minute or so. Basically, in a gasoline engine, if this turns yellowish, you got a head gasket. So we will come back and see what we got. Pull it. I'm trying to pull. See if we got gases. But it's staying blue. So I think we're okay and we do not have a head gasket issue. So we're going to pressure test this. See where it's leaking now. Bernsey said this morning he's got a feeling it's the water pump, which it's the original one. It's 30 some odd years old now. I wouldn't doubt it.
So it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks real clean. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so she's full of water. Let's pump her up. What cap is this? 15 pounds. We are
I'll put the Mustang to 21.
Yeah, you're supposed to go a little hair over.
Yeah.
So I'm at almost 17. And it is moving. We've had some staining here. We're dropping, but it's slowly. It's at almost 16 yet. It was at almost 17 a minute ago. So now we play I Smell Coolant. Everybody's favorite game of where's the leak this time?
Where's the leaking from now? Check that low radiator. I'm so glad I get that fucking shot in there. No, at the water pump.
At the water pump? Yeah, have fun getting to that, buddy. Wait. I hear it. You hear it sizzling? I heard it sizzling. What are you fucking thinking about?
Where's it at, Bobby?
I know. We're playing Where Is It? It's like play hide the freaking sausage. It's not leaking anywhere. But it loses coolant. It's consuming coolant. And it doesn't have combustion in the test showed it didn't have combustion in the cooling system, but Ooh, we're wet right here. No condensation, weird condensation anyway. We're wet right here.
Wet with the thermostat housing?
Mm-hmm. There's a little, just a little bit. I wonder if it's throttle body, that gasket must have failed.
Oh no.
Because it's wet there. And you can see staining. It's hard to see it, but you can see staining right here. And it's actually wet right here on the thermostat housing itself.
Okay.
And it's coming out. I just wiped that. And it's like coming out that bolt hole. Because it's running down the thermostat, down the lower manifold.
That would make sense
There's a
now.
puddle of
Yeah, old.
goo right there. So, I wonder if that thermostat housing's cracked.
Thermostat housing or that seal? Which one do you think it is?
Because it's wet right there. But it's wet above it. Okay. It's coming out of the throttle body gasket. Because there's another trail of it right here.
Mm-hmm.
I can see on the lower plenum, on that runner that eventually goes into cylinder 1 here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it comes around.
Yeah.
There's a trail down that valley into this V. That's what made that puddle. So, it's that idle air control coolant circuit, that gasket. Okay, well, those are fun to find. So, guess I'll order up one of those, and we will go from there.
Sounds good.
So that's that leak, but it can't be losing as much as it seems to be losing. But I mean,
Yeah, but a lot of it seemed like it was running out the front. That's why I thought it was water pump, because you saw the cross member.
Yeah. Let's let it sit here. Let's pressurize it and let it sit for a while.
Good.